In this video, we will learn and understand the use of offset command. Offset command creates an object from the existing one and can be executed from the command line or from the modify panel. Unlike most of the other modification tools, offset command does not begin with selecting an object. Instead, you have to specify the offset distance. You can type in the value or click 2 points to get the required distance. I'm going to make a small pathway with a width of 1200 mm and 100 mm thickness gutter on both sides. Click Offset Tools in the Modify panel. In the command line, you will see other offset options: Through, Erase, and Layer. The default is Through, but you can type in your required distance. Let's say 600 mm. Press Enter and select Object to offset. Let's try the Through Offset option. Click the Offset tools in the Modify panel and select the Through option in the command line. Select Object to offset. This time, we're not going to specify the distance. If you notice, the preview of the new object moved along the cursor. This time, I'm going to click Anywhere. Offset command with Through option can have multiple offset objects by selecting multiple in the right-click menu. Press Enter to return to Offset command. Press Enter again to use Through option. Select Object to offset and right-click. Under right-click menu, select Multiple and click Anywhere as many as you like. Let's move to Offset Erase option. Click Offset Tools in Modify panel. In command line, select Erase. AutoCAD will ask you if you're going to erase source object after offsetting. The default is No. I will choose Yes, meaning the source object will be erased and the new offset object will be created. Let's try it. Press Enter. Select Object to offset and click Anywhere. Let's try another useful offset option. But first, I'm going to erase unnecessary lines. I will change the current layer to Gutter. Click Offset Tools in the Modify panel. In the command line, select Layer. AutoCAD will ask you the layer option for the new offset object. Current or source. Source means the new offset object will be the same as the source object. Current means the new offset object will be saved in the current layer. I will choose Current. This time, I have to specify the distance. Let's say 100 mm. And select Object to offset. The new offset object is saved in the current layer. Let's copy the path. Let's do the offset command again. Select Layer. This time, I will choose Source. Press Enter to use the previous distance. Select Object to offset. The new offset object remains the same as the source object. Offset option not only be seen in the command line, it can be found in the right-click menu as well. Click the Offset tool in the Modify panel and right-click.